Welcome back to the second season of Around Zagreb. My name is Martina and I'm very happy to take you on an exciting journey around the Zagreb region. If you could be anyone or even anything else in the world, who would you be? A princess, a doctor, or maybe a superhero?
Superhero.
What is your superpower?
Yeah, my superpower is searching for najbolje krafna.
Ooh, let's find najbolja krafna.
Okay, let's go.
Every February, Samobor is taken over by the most interesting costumes. The Samobor Carnival is the oldest and largest one in the continental part of Croatia. And this year's theme is from zero to superhero. That's why we have our superhero Hrishikesh with us.
Can I have a jacket, please? Here we go. I came to Croatia 2 years ago. I was working with Rimac Automobili. They are making an electrical supercar and I am working on that project of C2.
Donuts or krafna in Croatian are the typical carnival sweets.
So we'll go with the chocolate?
Of course, chocolate.
Hey, hi, Bok. Daj me dve marmaleda krafna.
Yay!
Med plus this what?
Walnuts.
Yeah, we'll go with this one. Okay, for me, the best krafna or najbolja krafna is with marmalade. The dough, it's really nice. Like you said, like it's soft, nicely made. The marmalade, it's not too sweet.
There's one real-life superhero we need to mention, Jackie Chan. It's a little-known fact that the opening scene of Armor of God movie was filmed right up here, at Samobor Castle. During the 12 days of the newly established Carnival Republic, you'll find the town is filled with events all day long. Live music, graffiti and culinary workshops, an amusement park, and of course, creative costumes. Since Hrishikesh is an electrical car designer, we have a special challenge for him, a car with no wheels.
Hi, Bob. 2 tickets for this one.
How was the ride?
Oh, yes. I can say this. When we was outside, I was feeling cold. But after the game now, I'm totally heated.
The most typical winter dish is ham hock sour cabbage that simply melts in your mouth. The Croatian code name is buncek.
How you say in Croatian language? It's like dobar tek.
Dobar tek.
Dobar tek.
Dobar tek, yeah. Salty and sour, yeah.
Yeah, salty and sour. It's good.
The fun, flair and fiesta heat up as the sun sets. A number of performers take the stage, while you see more and more colorful costumes walking the streets. And remember, the sillier the mask, the better.